Hey YouTube, this is GoPro Hero Videos, and today I'm going to do a Zippo lighter wind test. And you can see I have a fan. I'm going to test the lighter lighting inside the wind and then lighting outside or wherever. So let's get started. I'm going to turn the fan on. And this is pretty high power for this. So my first test is going to be lighting outside of the fan and then putting it in the wind. As you can see, it stayed lit for a while, and it's a pretty fast wind. And it stays lit for a good time. Now I'm going to try lighting it inside the wind. There you go. It lights inside the wind, but it does blow out easily if you put it directly against the wind. Thanks for watching.